Aday naglupa.
Halina't manood sa aming pasiglawan, pagtuklas, pag-discovery, pagbalik-aral ay susi. Sa Katsa Friday tayo lumago, magbahagi ng bawat pusong huli. Katsa Friday sa learning delight, building a future oh so bright. Katsa Friday sa learning delight, building a future oh so bright. Sumasaya, pagsulat, pagbabasa, mga kwento't mga paksa, tinuturo't hinahasa. Learning more fun when I'm with you, Katsa Friday we need you. Can't wait to learn more with you, every Friday we'll learn from you. Oh, 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 eh, oh, eh, oh, 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 eh, oh, eh, oh. Oh, 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 eh, oh, eh, oh, 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 eh, oh, eh, oh. Katsa Friday, we learn together, learning is fun, we don't regret, let's make this day, we will remember.